What's up, YouTube? Got you a video right here. I decided to take off my glove box, and I'm gonna check my cabin filter, and I'm gonna check, probably inspect the blower motor in the process. Well, I got everything down. It's just a quick, easy task right here, just to take off your glove box. I'll show you step by step. You don't need a lot of tools, just a Phillips screwdriver and some small pliers just to do undo the clip for the airbag. You won't unplug the airbag. Do not unplug the airbag. Just take the clips out, and I'll show you here. All right, first we're going to remove the corner screw right here. Phillips. We'll remove this one first. Put that to the side. Then we have one that's right here. I'm going to remove that one. And we're going to go to the bottom. We're going to leave the latch up so we can keep the box out the way. So we can keep that lid out the way. We'll just go to the bottom, and it's two on the bottom. Well, it's one right here at this corner. And you can remove the kick plate also. Just a little right here, Phillips. Then you have one over here. It's at this corner. Take that one out. And let's see here. We have one that's at that corner. Now we're going to remove the latch to Phillips. Latch. Your box just hangs up there. Alright, now you see this is your airbag plug. Do not remove that. Do not unplug that. You don't have to unplug that. But you do have the little clips, as you can see here. 1, 2. You can take your little pliers and just squeeze the little tabs and push that out, and take and squeeze this one, push that out. So you're gonna have that up here. Then you're gonna remove your bulb, and you can remove your glove box. So you can put your glove box to the side. Now you have your clip for your filter, cabin air filter. You have a clip right there, and just to get that loose, you could just take some flathead or something and just pop that tab off. It's like a little clip holder. I'll show you. So what I do, my screwdriver has this little thing where I can flip it over. It's like a connection both sides. One side is a flathead, one side is a Phillips. I just pop that off. It's a little tab here. So then you got this. Pull that up. It's just a little cover. You can check your filter. It's a 2-piece filter. Mine is the has the STP filter. It's part number. Yeah, it's just a filter. That's the bottom part. It does have a little It is kind of dirty. Then it has another part to it. Filter. See, it says airflow. Two-piece filter. It does have some little debris in it. And while you're down here, you can check out your blower motor. Your blower motor is here, where has a little cover on it. Fastest over here. It's your blower motor. Let me check out that. It's just a reinstall. It says the airflow this way. And you can actually, if you want, actually pull up on it. It fits in there smooth like that, just like that. So I just picked up on one. So you're just sitting them on top of each other. That's all. Just sitting them on. So it'll be difficult to get it in here like this. See, you try to just put the top in there. Goodness, this will be flush. Because you have this like this, but you can't do it. So I just picked up on the bottom like that, like that. Pull the ones at the top. Take this. Here. Goes up top. And you use your clip. Put your clip back in here. Clip. You can check your box. Your box. Back up here.